Motorola has expanded the G series with its latest launch, the Moto G82 5G. This is the most premium offering in the G series from the company. The phone boasts of premium hardware and offers a few segment-first features. With the launch of the G82, Motorola is trying to compete with the likes of Realme and Xiaomi. But how does it fare? We find out in our Cell Guru review. The G82 is said to be the lightest and slimmest smartphone in the market. It features a polycarbonate back yet does not feel cheap. The curved edges and the sleek design of the phone make it comfortable to hold with one hand. The location of the fingerprint scanner is perfect and works smoothly too. The Moto G82 5G also has an IP52 rating for resistance against light splashes of water. The device is prone to fingerprint smudges. The Moto G82 comes with a 6.6-inch OLED display with a full HD Plus resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate. The 10-bit display supports a billion colors and gives a vivid viewing experience. It has a punch hole for the front camera which turns invisible after a few days of use. Thanks to the great refresh rate, the experience of watching HD content was great, leaving us highly impressed. We were even able to navigate the phone under bright sunlight. The phone has dual stereo speakers that are loud and clear. The speakers deliver decent bass and we were plenty happy. Coming to the performance of the phone, the G82 is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 695 chipset. The 6nm SoC handles everyday tasks with ease. Multi-tab browsing and switching between apps was seamless, and the device did not lag or crash even when multiple apps were running in the background. The software is clean and extremely close to stock Android 12. Material U was on proud display throughout the UI. As for gaming, playing Call of Duty was fun. The phone was able to play at a consistent frame rate with all settings maxed out. While playing the game inside in a relatively cool room, the phone did not heat up. We were pretty impressed with the battery of the phone as well. It was simply amazing. It comes with a 5000 mAh battery. With average use, the phone easily has a 2-day battery life. We got 6 hours of screen on time with 30% left. It comes with 33-watt fast charging in the box and takes about an hour to go from 0 to 100%. The Moto G82 5G has a triple camera setup at the back. It includes a 50MP main camera with optical image stabilization, an 8MP ultra-wide camera and a 2MP depth sensor. For selfies, there is a 16MP camera at the front. The shots from the 50MP main sensor had great dynamic range and colors. It has plenty of details and the sharpness was on point but suffers with indoor shots. The details were not up to the mark and the colors were washed out. The performance of the ultra-wide camera is on the same lines as the primary sensor and does disappoint with indoor shots. With the macro lens, while we were happy with the shots, there were no details and the colors were on the muted side. Where the camera does stand out is the selfie camera. The photos were bright and sharp with plenty of details and the skin color was spot on. Priced at Rs 21,499 for the 6GB plus 128GB variant, the phone offers a good design, powerful performance, great battery and an amazing display. With these features and more, the Moto G82 is high on our list of recommendations.